Today we're going to show how to remove and replace a port light on a Leopard 45 catamaran. First, we're going to remove the screws from the back plate on the inside of the port light. Next, we're going to use a line saw to cut the sealant from behind the front plate on the outside of the port light. I created the line saw using 60-pound braided fishing line and wrapping it around 2 wrench handles. First, I tucked the line behind the face plate on the outside of the port light. Then, using a back and forth motion, I saw through the Sikaflex sealant, working my way around the frame until it's free. We prepared the opening for the new port light by scraping away residual sealant with our thumbnails, then wiping everything clean with rubbing alcohol. Finished cutting, the port light should come out easily. We applied a high-grade marine adhesive sealant that is UV stabilized and intended for use above the waterline around the perimeter of the new port light. With the sealant applied, we insert the port light into the opening, apply the back plate, screw it together, and then clean up using mineral spirits. Taking your time, this project should take just about 1 hour.